up my picture, blood clot. Them that you forgot to talk about. Behind your back, your niggas in a girl DM around this bitch.
Yeah, man, you don't know from here the vibes, you don't know, say Bones there represent for Sandy and Bones, Steve, and yo, Tanya. You don't know the lady where host whatever go international. You see, today I say you do here run up in our DMs, I don't know how true that be a seat, for you don't know that lady I talk from where there. And she want somebody to answer. She asked that's something here, Skeleton or Skellington to answer. And she even asked her one or two will lose her wife too. You have a video forward on pretty down to when she talk a little thing about her wife. You see it? But you don't know whatever go international with Lady Tanya. You see it, should I call up Queen in name and say you do you run up in her inbox and I go back on hear the full video. You see it, and you can also go over her page and go check her out, said speed on YouTube. Anyway, she there you can go find her, you see me? Yeah man, but if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. And you also can follow me on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. And tell some people, some haters, we go chuck off. For we have them all eat now, we're not talking about real viewers and subscribers. Now we are talking about some people who know before YouTube and just come around for figure around. You see it and we go chuck off, you see me? Yeah man. We got the people who know we through YouTube, you see it. Enough love.
Queenie! I'm married. The 2 hours now. Dog shit, bitch. Why you can't just come face me? She be shitty, petty dan. Why you not come chatting on my face instead of sit down around there so? And report me. None of them look good up here. None of blood clot will not look good up here. Eh? Why? Wanna look, wanna want. Blocking my blood clot page now go help you know. Cause blocking my page me not dead for hungry. Blocking my page me not dead for hungry. You know, you see what I name? Feel good. If a blood clot feel good, that me I tell you no. Always feel blood clot good. I'm not dead for hungry a blood clot. So even if you don't block my page there, block my page come, it now blood clot make me hungry. Come good. Queenie, Amari, stop blood clot report my page. I can't report tell God blood clot come. Me now stop dog on a man mascot blood clot. Queenie, where I move your idiot blood clot? I may live too far. That your mother that my type and you already in the inbox him now get a player. Move your blood clot. And last night I go to your man DM bitch. Cause it go down in the DM. Watch it. You think y'all don't care shake up body? Go down in the DM. Go down. Go down. Go down in the DM. Yes, bitch. That's all natural body blood clot, jaw. All natural, not no fake. Little bang belly here, little bang belly. My natural now blood clot, no fake. All blood clot, no carbon copy. We there, we're talking of mine. Talking of mine. Amari, you're not condemnation of blood clot. Amari, you look somebody if you go rip off. No ripping off now go on. So you better go sit your monkey ass down and make sure say you have receipt. Me there you test out my equipment. Yeah. So I want to see what go on cause tonight when it get dark I'm light up them. Think we get a better player at night than day. Yeah. Me I come back up here later, me just test my light. See it run back there my head. Yes, feel good. You know it go. Me I come up here, me I get my shit together. Cause later, different blood clot story. Yes, people. Different story later. Me don't want nobody sorry for me, you know. sorry for my blood clot self. One no cross my sorry for me. We all tell later, here.
I want to. Guys, come here. Okay. Months now. Turn right. I know, but as I'm telling you, it's when you're married to somebody, what you gonna do? One time me and my wife split, I never did think me need to tell nobody. You know what I mean? Yeah. Cause I'm more than almost a year, you know, but I just have a feeling, you know, that I could wait if you come and say, yo, me and her, you see, pray. Me just cool and I hold me lane. Me not date nobody, me just good. You see me, but me and her not together. Yeah, me and her not together months now, months, but me respect her, see me, you see me? Whole heap of respect the for moms, you see, pray. Yeah. Yeah, man, we have to respect mama, man. You see me? Mama respect her, you see, pray. Yeah, man, not dissing for mama. Yes, I. Yeah, man. But a month me and mama not there. Yeah, but you know, do something happy up myself and I go, you know? Mama happy, me happy. You know, I just say go one time. Yeah, two people can left. Not even left, just respect them one another and know it's alright. We fall out of love and I just say it go. You see me? And respect that between the two and we see them way. I just say the thing set, man. I want your ounce of respect, man. Fully respect and love and respect Camille for dear life, man. You see, pray? Yeah, man, that's why I still talk to Aya Mama. You see, pray? Yes, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, you have to keep your respect, man. Nobody can never see me this hard. You know them, they come here. A whole heap of people think say me and I still there together, but no, me just post her more while see me because me not a woman right now, so I don't like say it a go hurt nobody if me post her and them they come here, but me and them, me and my wife left from last year, May. But last year, May. But I boss that. What in Killer Styles badness. Yeah, I'm single, man. Single, but me not really. Me never really tell nobody, you see me? Yeah, man, me just go on easy, you see me? No fuck nobody, me just go on easy. I want me not a girl, man, me just go on easy, man. Me don't want nobody, man. Me just go on easy, I go and make some money. You see me? So me put that. No, man. Me need a couple more months, man. Just go on easy. Prank. No, sir. I don't prank. Wish I did on prank. Respect and love her, see me. You need a couple more months for do.
Eh?
For heal.
For heal.
No, you need 1 year.
What then? Me not done gone couple months already.
What? No, 1 fresh year.
Then, after this?
Yes.
My sister said we still need 1 more year. Think of love you and babes, I swear to God. Eh? Me and I left. Think, I swear to God. Amicably we part.
Amicably.
She fall out of love with the Dan. Yeah. Oh, sir. Might I can't fuck, you never know.
I don't like with this time. I'm confident, but no.
Why? Yeah. The cock ratings drop. Yeah, my mom said, I said that, my mom said, that never happened. My mom said, I want to fuck too much. I love pussy body. Yeah, when we fuck every day, like, twice, but Sunday, 3. What? Yo, come on, Dolly, you know how
don't mix me. I don't know.
People, let me tell you, if one thing I know in a life, I can do a fuck. If me go lose one girl because I love fuck, so I saw it be the case. All if you be excited, I want to hold. I saw all if me just tell you about your stinking blood clot, come fuck me. Me need the hole. I want the blood clot. You want me fuck you in your pussy hole. I just say me want it, man. What? Me all go say boom and me all in an argument and me see all I go through the house smell so good and body broad and sitting fuck me now. Come sit down for my wood, man. Me name out your pussy for you, right? Listen, I'm brawling, man. Chuck you down in a chair, man, and I draw the jaws off of you, man. And I make you know, say, oh, suck out the pussy of you, make you ball, girl. You know them. You make you ball, girl. You know them.
Fear make you ball, girl. You know them